Hello friends, in this video I shall show some concepts regarding branching in the Git. So let's start. This is the first commit that has been created on the master branch. So I am creating some another commits, one and another commit 2. Now there are 3 commits on the master branch and head is pointing to the master. So create a new branch. To create a new branch, git branch new. So this is the branch name. My branch name is new. Enter, and you can see that this branch has been created. So there are 2 branches, master branch and new branch. Head is pointing to the master branch. So if I check out to the new branch, you can see head is pointing to the new now. Okay, so if I do any changes, I mean any commits, then it will be recorded in the new branch. Okay, so suppose I am doing a commit, git commit -am and new 1. Okay, it means on the new branch commit 1. Okay, so you can see that new commit has been created in the new branch, and another commit new 2. Okay, this is the head is pointing to the new branch, and on the new branch there is another commit. Okay, now check out the master, git check out master. So my head is now here at the master branch, and if I commit again something here, master 1, so now you can see that the another commit has been created separately for the master branch. Okay, so on which branch you are, in that branch that commit will be recorded. Suppose I am creating another commit master 2, this one. Okay, now check out to the new branch again, git check out new. So head is pointing to the new. Now commit again new 3. So this is the commit and this is the branch, this is the head is pointing to the new branch, and there is another commit in that branch, right? If you want to list how many branches are there in your project, so use git branch. So you can see that there are 2 branches listed here, and star is with the new, so it means you are currently on the new branch and there is another branch master. Okay, so using the git branch command you can list all the branches present in your project. So I want to delete the new branch. So for deleting the new branch, first of all check out to the another branch. So I am checking out to the master, git check out master, and now I am on the master branch. After that you can delete the branch new, git branch new, sorry, git branch -d. D flag is important, that for delete. So git branch d, and you can see that all the commits that have been recorded in the new branch, all they have gone, right? So one thing important is that you cannot delete the currently checked out branch. So if you are on the new branch, so you cannot delete the new branch, you have to move on some another branch, after that you can delete it. Okay, that's it. Thank you.